Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then welcome to my channel called Glamhairous, where I make videos on hairstyles, beauty and more. And after a long time I'm making a hairstyle video. So this video is gonna be festive hairstyles video. So previously I have done one festive hairstyle video. If you want to see that video, I'm gonna link that video in the description box below. So without any further delay, let's get started with the video. For the first hairstyle, I'm gonna use this hair accessory that was made by me. There are 4 of this. And for the first hairstyle, I'm gonna tie all my hair into a ponytail. Take some hair, wrap around the rubber band and secure it with a pin. 4 inches down to first rubber band, tie one more rubber band like so, making it a bubble braid. Repeat the same thing. Do not forget to pull the hair like so to make it a bubble braid. After you're done, wrap this pearl string around the rubber band and pin them properly. Wrap around the pearl string around your rubber band like so. Pin it properly so that it stays the whole day.
Plans through the highways till my shadow turns to sun rays.
Repeat the same steps.
Wastelands through the highways.
This accessory is really very easy and quick to do and changes the look of your hairstyle within a minute. Look how gorgeous and cute this hairstyle looks. I don't know about you, but I'm in love with this hairstyle.
And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon. Turn us to.
Coming to the second hairstyle, I'm just gonna take this fake flower hairband and tie it to my ponytail like so. If you're okay, then you can also use a curler or keep it as it is. To enhance the look of the hairstyle, I'm gonna curl my hair a little, not too much, just a little.
Close till I get up.
I'm gonna curl all my hair and get back to you. Look how good and festive this hairstyle looks without putting so much of effort. Coming to the next hairstyle, I'm gonna divide my hair into 2 parts and braid one part and keep it other part as it is. Wrap the loose hair like so. Wrap the braid in an opposite direction and pin it properly. I'm gonna take this pearl pin and put on the flower like so, which will help to stay on the hair for a longer period of time. I'm gonna use bobby pin to secure them so that it stays longer. Look how instantly the flowers gave glam look to my normal bun. Forgot to say, those pearl pins also a DIY. For the next hairstyle, I'm gonna part the front sections like shown in the video and neatly comb it, tie it, make a hole and pull your pony through that. I'm going to take the remaining front section of my hair and tie it into a ponytail. make a hole and pull the hair through that hole. And that's it. This is a very simple hairstyle yet looks so elegant. You can also add these pearl pins, which is DIY by me. I'm also gonna add this pearl string hair accessory, which gives more elegance to the hairstyle. It looks so pretty, right? If you curl your hair, then it's gonna look damn pretty, you guys. That's it for the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. After a long time, I'm making a video, so please do support me and share this video to your friends if this video is helpful. So yeah, see you in the next video. Bye bye.